This is the filter pump that you need. I'm going to show you everything that comes in it. I'd like to point out right here it says plunger valves and 1.5-inch outlet fittings not included, which is strange that the outlet's not included, but this is why you have to buy that extra piece. First we have the manual. This is a great thing to look at when you're setting up. Some things are a little confusing in here, so on our blog you can see exactly how to set this up in a little more explained way. Got the hoses. This looks like the inlet. Another hose. You should have 2 of these. And then the actual pump. It's got a plug. Okay, so we've had this pump in our stock tank pool for how long?
This will be our 3rd season.
It's our 3rd season. Still going strong. I hope that it keeps going. We leave it outside. It is under our stock tank pool bench, so it's blocked a tiny bit from the rain, but it still gets wet. We just don't do anything special. We just plug it up. Yeah, we don't run it in the winter unless we are running our hot tub. Okay, so this is the part that comes with the pool. And then the part that you have to buy is this one. So they're different. And I'm going to show you all the things that you have to get to make this pool happen. The thing on the box that said the plunger valve in the outlet are not included, this is the outlet, and these are the plunger valves. And these are, you put these on, you attach them to the hoses, between the hose and the pool, and that is what you can turn the water off and on. So like if you twist this, you and unlock it, the water flow is going to go through the hoses, and if you lock it, then it's going to shut the water off. So you can close these off and you can take the hoses off and no water will be flowing out of the pool. So these are important because sometimes when you need to change the filter, you got to turn these off, or else the water's just going to overflow out of the pump. You're also going to need a hole saw, and I will link to the one we have, and it has a drill bit in the center, and this drills a hole by itself. You don't have to drill a separate hole and then stick this in there. So yeah, you're going to need 100% silicone, waterproof silicone sealant, because you're going to seal everything with that, just as a double precaution. And then you're going to need these rubber gaskets, because you need to put these between, let's see here, you're going to put one of these right up against this in the pool, and then one on the outside of the pool, and then you put this on here, and that's really going to seal that connection. I think it comes with one. Yeah, there's already one on the part that comes with the pool, so you only need 3. One for the inside and outside on each outlet. So that's everything you need to set your pool up. And once your pool is set up, you're going to need one of these guys to put your chlorine in, and so you'll also need chlorine. And this will just float around in your pool and disperse the chlorine over time. If you're ready to set your pool up, go watch our video on how to set up a stock tank pool. We will link it below. And make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos coming about stock tank pools. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Stock Tank Pool. We have an Instagram for Hey Wanderer, which you should follow us there too, but we also have one just for Stock Tank Pool, and yeah, it's just Stock Tank Pools. And we'll repost your picture if you have a good picture of your pool. Tag us, See ya. Bye.